Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best carpet cleaners in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. The Bissell TurboClean Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner is ideal for small rooms and area rugs. Even better for homes with small rooms, area rugs and pets. That's because it's designed specifically to address pet hair along with dirt and grime your pet tracks in from the yard or street. It features 4 rows of rotating brushes that scour the carpet to dig out troublesome materials, a durable 3.4 amp motor to power those brushes, and a half-gallon tank that's just right for those area rugs and small rooms we mentioned. At a svelte 12 pounds, it's light enough for anyone. For more useful products for your home, be sure to check out our selection of the best steam cleaners. From the comfortable handle to the large wheels that facilitate easy motion to the low-riding front end that slips under the sofa to snag dirt and grime, this is an upright that's built for your success. It sports an antimicrobial pet tool, heat force technology that helps speed up drying of the carpet, a dual water tank system, and motion detection that switches from clean to dry depending on your direction. If you're looking for a lightweight, standalone rug cleaning machine that simplifies the process and produces reliably high-quality results, the Hoover Smartwash is near the top of the best carpet cleaners list. Be sure to combine it with some of the best carpet cleaner solutions. At 40 pounds empty, the Big Green lives up to its name. But every ounce of that weight is put to good use. It has heavy-duty suction to beat the band, the brushes are large and hungry, the 2 big tanks will keep you going across the largest space, and there are myriad attachments that enable you to use it as stairs or upholstery cleaner. Take your time with this puppy and watch your carpets come back to life in front of your eyes. Just remember, quality isn't cheap. Be sure to also check out our list of the best handheld vacuums for more great items like this. The Power Dash from Hoover is a pet-oriented upright that's light, reasonably powerful, and features the company's heat force technology to facilitate shorter drying times. It's highly maneuverable, great for area rugs in small to mid-sized rooms, and it takes care of urine stains, pet vomit and more with relative ease, though you might have to clean twice to remove all the odor. While the marketing says you can clean high-traffic areas with it, we'd say that for really dirty, high-traffic areas, you'll likely need something just a bit more robust. For more amazing products to keep your carpets perfectly clean, check out our guide to the best carpet powders. The Feranium round basket planter is one of the most incredible house's decor elements you'll ever come across. This is 10.2 inches of heavy-duty iron, cast into stylish and classic designs that will transform your home into a space of style in seconds. This planter is designed with a trainer and an inner pot, which allows excess water to leave the plants. It is large enough in capacity to accommodate all your flower and planting arrangements. For total security and support, this hanging planter is built with heavy-duty iron material with a triple chain hanger. The Feranium round basket is simple in outlook yet stylish in design and is excellent for your office, home, garden, windowsill, etc. Our team recommends this brand of hanging pots for all those who want to add a touch of nature to their home but don't have the time for regular watering. It is a budget-friendly unit made to resemble real rattan with an eye-catching design that can be hung anywhere in your home or office. If you are looking for some gardening tools, check out our guide to the best garden forks.